Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darrenO'Neill.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome on Mac OS. Okay, to get started here, I'm just going to open Launchpad and I'm going to open Safari, which is the default browser on Mac OS. Okay, I'm just going to search for Chrome then in the search bar. And we can see here there's an ad saying Google Chrome, download Chrome today. So I'm going to click here on this link onto Google, and then I'm going to click to download Chrome. Okay, so we can see the download should now begin for us, and we can see it's downloading away up here. So this should be done momentarily for us now. Okay, great, it's done. So I'm going to click on my downloads, and I'm going to click on the Google Chrome download. I'm going to double click on it to begin the installation. Okay, so we can see now it's opening here for us now, opening Google Chrome.dmg. So this should be done momentarily, but let me pause the video while this is opening. Okay, great, we can see it's here. Okay, so all we need to do is need to pull this Google Chrome icon into the applications folder. And we can see this is kicking off the process now. So it's running for us here. So again, let me pause the video while we're waiting. Okay, great, it looks like it's done. So first thing first, let me open up our Launchpad here. And we can see Chrome down here, which is great. So let me just search for Chrome here and let me open it up. And it should open up Chrome for us now in a second. Okay, so it's beginning to open it here, and it's verifying the Chrome install, which is great. So momentarily now we should have Chrome open for us. Okay, and it's saying it's an application that was downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And I'm going to say, yeah, I want to open it. And then it should begin to open Chrome, and that's it. That's all there really is to it, to installing Chrome on Mac OS. I hope you found this useful, and please do like and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching.